Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Niconi Gluta Kojic Lotion. First, always begin with a patch test on a small area of your inner elbow. Wait 24 hours to ensure no irritation occurs. Next, prepare your skin by thoroughly cleansing it, making sure it is completely free of any makeup, oils, or other lotions. Finally, apply the Niconi pre-polish cream to the area you intend to treat, as this helps prepare your skin for the polish. Now, let's move on to mixing and application. Using the provided spoon, measure 1 full scoop of the lotion with the larger side and 1 full scoop of the powder with the smaller side. Combine these in the mixing bowl and stir vigorously for 2 minutes until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and completely free of any lumps. It is crucial to apply this thick, even layer immediately after mixing for best results. Timing is key for optimal results. Once applied, leave the polish on your skin for 10 to 20 minutes. You will notice the mixture changing color from pink to white, indicating it is working. It is very important not to exceed 25 minutes of application to avoid any potential skin irritation. After the recommended time, rinse off the product thoroughly with water and then reapply the Niconi post-polish cream to soothe and nourish your skin. To ensure you get the best results and maintain healthy skin, remember these essential tips. This is a potent product, so use it only once every 15 days. After each treatment, always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with sufficient SPF before any sun exposure, as your skin will be more sensitive. Also, avoid applying the polish on broken skin, your eyebrows, or any areas that have been recently waxed or threaded.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.